Do 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 do. Wow 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 wow. Yeah. Hello my friends. Today we're going to learn how to make a chain stitch. So we're going to start by making a slip knot because we have to do that to begin our little project here. So you're going to take your yarn, and I like taking my 2 fingers like so, wrapping the yarn up, under, and then making a little X in the front. Use your thumb to hold that end in place. Now take your hook, slide it under that top portion, and then grab that yarn and start pulling it through, but you're going to have to hold these other 2 pieces under my thumb. So you're going to have to hold those in place as you pull through, like so. Okay, now you've got your slip knot. You can watch that in slow motion if you need to. You can tighten that slip knot by pulling gently right here. Don't pull it all the way. You want to leave a little bit of space. See how there's a little bit of space around my needle? If I pull it too tight like that, it's going to be really hard to work our chain stitch. So give yourself a little bit of space. Not too much, not too little. That's about right, okay? Think about it as your needle needing some breathing room, like it wants a little bit of personal space. Now, you can hold your yarn. I like to hold my yarn like this. I wrap it around my pinky and then behind my other fingers. There is so many different ways to hold yarn, so you can definitely research other ways and try out different ways of holding it so you see what feels comfortable for you. Now I'm going to hold this bottom piece, and to do our chain stitch, we're going to move the needle under, up, and over like that. And then you're going to pull it through this loop right here. Ooh, come on, buddy. There you go. See, if it's too tight, it's kind of hard to bring it through. So you could loosen it up as much as you need to. And that is your first chain. Let's do another chain stitch. So again, look at how my needle is and look at how the yarn is. I'm going to bring my needle back, up, and over. Grab hold of that yarn and pull it through the loop. Your second chain stitch. Again, back, up and over, grab the yarn, and that is 3 chain stitches. Let's do that a few more times. And again, you can watch this in slow motion if you want to, but I'm trying to go really slow so you can see. 5. Let's do that 5 more times. So we're going to have a total of 10. Okay, and there you have it. Good job. So let's turn this around so you can kind of see what the anatomy of the chain stitch looks like. This is what that front part looks like. If you turn it over, you've got like these little bumps. Okay, in the next video, we're going to learn how to make a single crochet.